Kenza komi jona Nkanelo Gingirikani. Yeah, it's a bit of a late recording. Yeah, so today I just wanna take some time and pay some tribute to SOLLY Makamu Jiwa. Um, this guy is actually doing a lot of work for the community right now. I feel like Jiwan right now is the Limpopo TV, equivalent to Limpopo TV. The kind of work that he's doing is mostly. I feel like, and this is the thing. Most people maybe Mengawam Kamshamarin Kuai Mandla Gingirikani to Kumaika Jiwan channel and the interview. He actually doesn't even know that I'm going to do this recording. I just asked some few pictures because I knew that you are a Bushback rich now, my Fenya brothers. So I just wanted to do an appreciation video for him for the work that Jiwan is doing ka community. I would say the community about Tonga, not only again, then you can see he's in Bushback Rich Lawan, Babaka performer as my Fenya brothers, and you can see the fans. We'll talk about this one later. What kind of impact will this have in his music? But first, I just want to appreciate him for the work that he's doing because now Stabu, Batsonga Botala, we don't appreciate the Van Botala, look, Monakanja Swaka, our wool. And then look, uninviting Kwante ka niya ka channel na. Let me tell the story. So, look, Jiwan Solmakam at the Kuina our dear Kamunga and after our campaign and accumulated votes, people were supporting him. He was very heartbroken and he posted a video and then he later deleted that video. You all know about it. It was public. And then I called him as Mandla Gingirikani. Nilakutisa why kumelele yini, would you wanna come? And then we blah blah tumjawena as G1 Surmakam, and then he refused. But the way he refused, it was funny. He's like, ni ni nitavuya ka n'wina. Loko John ni vulavula na vanhu vo tala yi ri n'wina, se mara mina ni yi tsundzuxeni ku ri ni kombela ku mi nga vuli ku n'wina ka mina hi mina Mandla Gingirikani move wena. So swa hi tikela mara Jiwan. So Makam Shiku, mina ni tala ku xiku ku vulavula na vanhu ni vulavula hi vanhu vo tala. Van'wana ve ri nga hleki but anyway. So ivi Jiwan vuya ka mina vhele yi ku lava va fambisaka channel liya ya Jiwan Solly Makamu vite ni pfa ni yimenyana hi ti-interview sweswi. Ni nga ziza ni endla ti-interview. So ivi yi suggest-a ku swantswa n'wina mi ta haleni ka mina ni ta mi interview. So that's how interview ya Mandla Gingirikani ka Solly Makamu Jiwan channel yi nga humelela hi kona. Even then, you all know what happened. You all seen the video. Maybe I will put it somewhere here or here. I don't know if you even watched that interview. I mean, on the Juan channel. And I guess it's on my Sangana. The only time I've loved Akuri through a phone call there, I lasted about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. He just called me out of the blue, and then logo he on the phone. I could feel the connection. If you understand me very well. Kuna vanhu van'wana loko u hlangana na vona, or maybe if you see them from a distance, you connect. You just connect nje. Mimoya ya n'wina ya connect. Or loko mo va mi ri swin'we a ku bori, a mi borheki. And ku nge vi na nkarhi wa ku va ku wi. Because na tsundzuka loko ni ri ka interview ya Jiwan, yi hele mina ni nga swi hleketelelangi because loko yi hela, I was like, so we're done. Are we done? Are we done? Are we finished? Yo, so I really want to appreciate this guy and the reason I'm doing this video, it has nothing to do with the fact that mina ni eka channel ya Jiwan ya interviewiwa. Because shin ku sha swi tiva ku vanhu va nge ni interview mina, that's why she interviewing Jiwan. and he's correct, he's right. Mina vanhu va nge ni interview for other reasons. Mara, I want to appreciate Jiwan for the work he's doing ka community ya yena hi channel ya yena. some people may see it as a business venture. It is a business venture because YouTube these days, you can actually make a career out of it. And which loko hi ri ka interview vhele ni yi byeriwa ni ku phela n'wina Juan mhaka YouTube n'we a fane mi nghene khale ku Juan yi sungule ku endla ti-video mina na ha ri hlangi, you know. I was still very young loko hi kule hi kha hi vona ti-video ta Mafenya Brothers kaya a ku ri hava muti loyi a wu ri hava VHS. VHS i video leyi ya xikhale ya cassette yo tlhe yi luma yi pfa yi luma a hi vona ti-VHS ta Jiwani Sodi Makamba mi kha yi hleka ku ri Mafenya Brothers. So I khale lero I told him Kuri, YouTube, it's long overdue, man. Like you should have been here for like long time ago, you know. And then Makaya drama, you know, please bring it back, you know. But I was just saying, you know, out of the love, the interest that I have, it's not like English leswi nga swi endleli mhaka ku va a twe mina no swi nga va swi yo kotana mara na mina a ni twe ni swi navela ku a ni ta tsakela ku vona so a swi endla and I'm glad he's doing it and you can see his channel has grown like it's the one fastest growing YouTube channel ka Vatsonga like ra mina ri timini hala but anyway we won't stop recording. So actually, let me charge this one as well. Only because it's about and they've not load shedding. So let's do this. You can comment. Okay. At least that one is on. So I wanted to say, Jiwan, is this thing working? Oh, sure. So sure, please fortunately is my that's why the show's first group and got one. I'm just to go start with one. I open that one. I just wanted to make a video like this. No appreciate that we end up to the local and I'll take into Loyan because the much at the video Diana and the Galata of Dontama Fair. It's like the video related. It's called community based, it's community journalism. Kalabanga School way. It's community journalism. It's called citizen journalism. Um Stella the community newspapers, Mara, he converted that to film, to TV. So, and the story leswi nga laha ka channel ya switori leswi akaka swin'we swa dyondzisa swin'wana you learn through people's struggles, all those things, the challenges leti vanhu va hlanganaka na tona ka general life. So he's doing a great job and I just hope we can get the support that deserved, G1. So from me, like Nigga G1, please don't stop what you're doing, man. I know munhu un'wana na un'wana i na veri va maseve le xisasi kumbexani I vayeni ve le xisasi munhu un'wana na un'wana I na vona va maseve le xisasi swi nge endleki munhu a ri hava so loko va maseve le xisasi va ta nga give up ya na mahlweni phusha G1 mina I'm just appreciating you like Nkanelo wa Gingirikani ni nge ya na mahlweni because swilo leswi swi endlaku can I say it? I get emotional when I watch G1's channel because he doesn't even have to do the things that he's doing, you know. Kuna ti-platform leti ti nga nyikiwa matimba hi constitution le South Africa ku ri ti fane ti endla ntirho lowu fanele wu mara a ti wu endli. Loko wu endliwa swi na xibruskap ni kombela ku lunghisana na light leriwani. Like it's a free flow video this one. Kuma ni fan brighter leriwani nyana because se a na ni ri na vona kahle. Ni nga vonakanyanga because leriya ri file. So I would say G1 Sodi Makamba channel, when I look at it, Mina, I feel like it's a protest channel like Nkanelo Gingirikani. Because talent to find a G1 should not be running around the way maybe it is calling, Mara. I feel like it deserves to be on national TV and also on a national radio platform because he has the talent. We all know G1. I thought this video was gonna be short, but it it feels like near the Samara. Munofana G1 Okay, let me say this. Okay, let me actually say when I'm here. It's embarrassing to have someone like G1, Sulimakam, Chavi CMC, Promed, ne, Scala Bush, and then to have Fred Ball. Who else? To have someone like Nkanelo Maraj. Let me tell you what. I can include myself there as boy Mara. If you guys want, you can include me. Buti happy, you know. I said Buti happy because even Labanga out there who are really pushing. You know, it's embarrassing to have those kind of people. Mara, they are not in the platforms. When I say platforms, I'm talking about national TV, even community TV or community radio or national radio. If it's embarrassing, it's an embarrassment because local G1, Maraji, Promed, all these people that are mentioned. There's another lady, Mangaroma, Anustugoma Bush. She's very good. Even Lava Loco Abobama Tosa, I can tell you that they will be on radio or TV already. Look, if they were Zulu, these people, they will be on radio or TV already. Marakar Shakara in Avatonga, Ngari, maybe because we are strong, so we don't have enough platforms, national platforms. I don't know. Mara, these people, they should be on radio. They should be something. I know Juan wa actor ka radio ne. So actor, I'm not talking about that. Man. I'm talking about like serious radio stuff, like doing drive show, because he has the charisma, he has the thing, he has the touch. Yeah, this CMC, all these people, they're body happy. Those people should be guests or they should be running television or radio programs tamachangan kumbe tamatsongo with a comment because the talent is there but it looks like ku hava tindhawu leti vanhu lava va nga ta haxa kona va nga ta va va ri kona va kha va kota ku and it's not even about them being on these platforms, it's the fact that they have the talent. The talent is there. You can see it's there. If you check their walls, if you see what they're doing with their videos, if you meet them in person, you can see. You always wonder, man, why could you so? Why are never like a radio, like a team already? She looked on bench because ngari ku hava ti-platform ta enough. That's what I was saying. Ku hava ti-platform ta enough. So well done, Jiwan. Keep pushing. It's a good thing that you're doing. And Jiwan ntsena va tele vanhu vo tala van'wana va hlayangi lava va qualify ku va va ri ka Xitsonga entertainment on a national level. Because you can see if someone is spending almost 15 years, G1, I can say that maybe it's 15 years. G1 should be honored. He deserves them to be honored. This guy. Na angaba avena na maybe some differences na vanhu van'wani based on whatever. Mara, when I look at him from a distance, even when I engaged with him, I can see this guy deserves to be somewhere. you know. So, but he's trying and he's pushing with his channel. Well done. Surely push out. Maybe something will give back. I don't know. But I just feel like this kind of people deserve to be on national radio. If they were Tosa or Zulu, these people would be somewhere in Ukozi FM or in trouble in any these people. They should be. They will be there. But because Iwatsonga and all these things, I think coming to his music. So now that my favorite brothers is doing the tour, you can see tinqambi ta Xitsonga now talking about his music ka tinqambi ta Xitsonga handle ka Dr. Thomas Chauke na Bin Mayengani. Who else can pull this kind of crowd? I understand this was my Mafenya Brothers, but people do love Jiwa. Look at his Facebook page. You can see he has his fan base is big, and people just Vanguranda Akaang. Okay, maybe Shina beef nyana bere Jiwa. Shina beef ya pork. Mara vanhu va le ku xi rhandzeni Jiwani, so This crowd a hi ya mahala leyi va ka swa tika ku endla festival kumbe event vanhu va tala so a xitejini va khomelela laha xitejini so swa tika leswaku swi humelela. So you cannot undermine that. When I look at these pictures, I just see greatness. It's greatness, this one. This is blessings, it's greatness, it's love. He's receiving the love. That's why hambi vanhu vo ku pfalela handle xikwembu loko xi pfula kwala nga ta pfala. And I feel like swilo swa dyiwa swi pfulekini right now. Ngo xota laha na laha na laha kumbe xi famba ku se xi sungula ku famba hi Ferrari xi ta hamba xi hi tongela. Very nga hleki very loko hi hleka ha va nyengetsa van'wana. But hey, G1, well done, man. Mara what this thing is going to do i ku swi ya phusha na music wa yena wa henhla na swi tiva ku G1 market base ya yena i vana lavantshwa ngopfu vana lavantshwa. Yeah, vana kumbe na vantshwa so ni nga n'wi compare na hey fan base ka tinqambi ta Machangani kumbe ta Vatsonga ni nga n'wi compare na Ben Mayengani va rhandziwa hi vanhu va age yo fana vanhu lavantshwa. Mara Ben Mayengani xi tlhe xi hindzisa xi ya xi rhandziwa na hi vakhegula ngopfu. You know, mara G1 xi rhandziwa ngopfu sweswiwani. So this thing is going to push his music as well. If people didn't know about him, now they know about him. And na swi tiva ku ku na vanhu vo tala va nga subscribe ka channel ya yena kuma ku a hi Vatsonga mara vo rhandza G1. That's why loko xi ya Bush nga ri na Bush is a playground ya G1 va xi rhandza ngopfu that side. That side ra le Bush G1 va xi rhandza ngopfu vanhu. So well done G1 SOLLY Makamu Makhense. A ni fambile na nhlelo loko hi ya ka interview tlhela i n'wana sesi wa mina so loko hi fika le ka G1 so dani hlevela loko hi fika laha loko se G1 yi ba hi xewetini vhele G1 yi fike yi xeweta na nhlelo is like he's 8 years old right now. So loko hi heta ku xewetiwa nhlelo ya ta ku malume G1 i fana na Makhense. Byi ku G1 i fana na Makhense loko ya va fana kambe. Fike i hlelo mara. Yeah, so I just felt like because vanhu vo tala va tala ku vulavula swa kahle loko munhu a fini loko munhu a hanya hi vula I feel like G1 deserves something award some honorary something ku xiximiwa ko karhi handle ka mhaka ta music just in life because ka entertainment ya Vatsonga this guy you know some people are sick like that like ka entertainment ya Vatsonga this guy has given a lot. He's given a lot. So I feel like he deserves something. So I just wanted to appreciate him. I hope vanhu lava va nga na matimba yo endla swo karhi va nga va twini ximesejana xa mina xo ka xi nga pfuni nchumu va endla something hi mhaka ya career ya G1 his talent. We cannot have G1 end up as just a street entertainer. You know what I mean? It cannot just happen like that. Something must give. Yeah, I just wanted to say that, but this is going to boost him. Swa kala ku va i hlengeta vanhu va so. So fan base ya G1 yi le kuleni and then ni nga vula hi ku yi le henhla swinene ka tinqambi to tala ta Vatsonga right now. Hi mhaka ya leswi a nga swi endli ka YouTube na ku va a tour this kind of tours. So swi nga mi chavisi loko G1 va ku G1 SOLLY Makamu, the big brand. You can see these people are a lot of them. It's a lot of people. So yeah, just want to G1 SOLLY Makamu is going far, guys. So we shouldn't undermine this guy. We should actually appreciate him and don't cancel. So mina ni lava G1 kombisa sweswo. Loko ku ri mina le gere Gingirikani wa ka Maxava na malayiti ma ala. Yeah, mo hi famba va ngeza va hi ba loko hi nga hleki. Le gere hi mina salute mi nga titimeli. Mi nga titimeli malayiti ku fana na layiti leriya mi nga titimeli. Mi nga titimeli.